What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, in my last video, I totally missed this end cap, so I wanted to show you what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing $5 sheets. Okay, so far I'm seeing pillowcases up top here for $5. You get two 20-inch by 30-inch pillowcases, so two for $5. And then down here we have some options. We have one full fitted sheet for $5, and it says it fits up to a 13-inch mattress. So you guys might need to measure how thick your mattress is. All of these sheets are for full-size mattresses up to 13 inches thick. And then we also have queen size sheets down here. And again, these are single sheets. So when we talk about a fitted sheet, this is the one with the elastic, the one that you put over the mattress. And when we speak on a flat sheet, this is the loose one, the one that covers your body when you're sleeping. I don't think we have any kings. So we have queen, queen, full, and the matching pillowcases for just $5. I mean, getting something like this would be really amazing for like that spare bedroom, or if you just need something super cheap. I haven't tried them yet, you guys, so let me know down in the comments if you have, but I think it's a really nice deal. I wanted to go ahead and look through the toys, look through the blind bags, and see what might be new. I saw some new slimes in my last video, so you guys go ahead and click up here. If you guys want to see what I showed in the last video, I showed a lot of things in room decor. You guys are going to be laughing at me because I was really excited in my last video. They had so many new things and I was super excited, like makeup brushes, new perfume, they had new slimes. I was really pumped. But look at these, you guys. Helping Hands chopsticks. $2.50. This is under the cool toys category. I am on the slime and the squishy aisle, and I have to say this is my first time seeing the super huge container of Mega Flarp. This is 1 pound of Mega Slarp. Slarp? No, Mega Flarp. Okay, and then we have some Dr. Putties. I really like that brand. I really like the putties. I think some of these squishies are new. I haven't really been hearing anyone talking about squishies lately, but they do have some new squishies. Ooh, look at the s'mores. And I have this one. I got it from a subscriber, from Melinda. I love my little cactus baby. I love her so much. Let me know, adults watching, do you have a secret squishy collection? Because I know I do. I love my squishies. I still love them. The Elasti Plasty for $5. What are these? All kinds of slime. This one was opened. It looks so pretty and iridescent. I promise you guys I didn't open it. Ooh, what's this? Mix-In Slime by Toy Smith. Look at that glitter. Look, you guys, the growing unicorn eggs are back. These are $4. These are the growing unicorn eggs. So you put this in water, and then after like a day or so, the unicorn hatches, and then it's like a little unicorn that grows in the water. I feel like last year's colors might have been a little different. Look, you guys, over here in the Toy Story 4 area, they added a new Ushi Woody vinyl edition. I'm not seeing any other characters over here. Aw, look at this, is so cute. It's Hang Time Berry Blast Scented Body Wash. 2 scrubbies, Ducky and Bunny duo. And they added a memory game. They added a little pop-up game for $5. They added a 3 set of puzzles by the brand Cardinal. You guys often see Cardinal in Dollar Tree, those dollar boxes of puzzles. And they have some blind bags too. Domies, this is Series 1, collectible minis. Aww. There's Jessie. I love Jessie. She's so cute. Those are $5. And they also have the $2.99 Mash'ems. Those are little squishies. A giant coloring pad. I still haven't seen Toy Story, but I really, really want to see it, you guys. Something about Toy Story is just so cozy. I'm homemade. Look at them. Buzz and Woody. Ham. Shadow Match. Oh, this makes me want to go see the movie tonight. Like, I really, really want to go see the movie soon. Flick Stars. So what do? You just flick them? Like they pop or bounce, kind of like those little bunnies that you push on the ground, like those little plastic ones, and they kind of like pop ahead or pop forward. A 2-pack of socks. I just got totally sucked in to the Toy Story 4 area. What are these? Toy Story minis for $3.99. Gator just brought this over to me. White Walls, Lightning McQueen. Are these new, Gator?
Yeah.
Do they have other ones?
I think they changed color.
I don't know. Let's go see. Show me where you found it. Gator's gonna show me. Oh my gosh, I have to get distracted for a minute and show these to him, Gator, because I love these so much. These are the best putties, you guys, if you need something to take down your stress or anxiety. Keep one of these. Keep one of these next to the bed. They are amazing. Okay, show me, Gator. This is the aisle I actually wanted to come to anyways. Oh, these are definitely new. Oh, wait a minute. What?
They changed colors?
I think they might. They might change colors. It's really hard to tell with the little demo box. You know, I'm not really sure though.
Lightning McQueen turns into him.
It's saying if you get enough of these that you can make a picture on the back, but nobody's really interested in the picture on the back. Look at Fortnite. Fortnite Rabbit Raider.
I think you do this.
Oh, Gator loves to do this dance. Uh-oh, I dropped it.
Oh yeah, this.
Do the dance. Did he do it, you guys? And then they also have Moisty Merman, or Merman. They have Chomp Senior. Rabbit Raider is really funny. Look at that. I think that's all they have. No, they have Bright Gunner. Gator just found this last Steven Universe little pint-sized hero for $3.99. And let's see, who can we potentially get?
Steven, Garnet, Lapis, and Amethyst. And on the back it has a picture of Pearl and Garnet and what's his name? Steven again. So yeah.
Okay, you guys let me know down in the comments if you are also a Steven Universe fan. I really like the show and I really love the soundtrack. It's like the most coziest, best soundtrack I think I've ever heard. Since we've been looking at lots of new things tonight, you guys, I wanted to end with these because I thought they were really, really cute. These are called Jelly Critters and they're super gummy and jelly. They are really, really, really cute, you guys. Look at the hedgie, the bunny, the bear. You get 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, you get 5 of them. And every pack is just a little bit different. They're like super cold to the touch and gummy. Ooh, look at this one. I just want to look at every pack. But you get little markers and they're just $3. And you can color them, or if you just want to leave them all white. I just think they're super cute and little. Like, I just really love many things like that. And they have a lot of these different kits in here still where you can paint your own squishy. And they also have the little DIY squishy kits over here. Like this one right here, you guys. This one is so cute. I actually got Birdy this one for her birthday. But they also have the one where you can make your own jewelry. And then I think I just saw another one over here. Where did it go? You guys, they have so many new games over here. Paws and Claws, wacky watermelons. They have a lot of new kits. Where did that other one go? I just saw a third one. I don't know where it went, you guys. I saw it out of the corner of my eye and I was gonna show you guys one more. What are these? Mystical water balls with the cute little pandas. Those are $2. And I think these might be new. Muscle, millions of unusual small creatures lurking. They have PJ Masks figures. They have Incredibles. Stranger Things. Barb, you guys, they have Barb from Stranger Things for $5. She even comes with her own can of beer. No way. They have Star Wars Hero Mashers over here.
I know this.
Hero Mashers. You know that?
Yeah.
Venema transforms with the card. They have Star Wars. They have lots of good deals in here, you guys. I always come once a week and I just look at everything new and try to share everything new with you guys. So if you guys want to stay on top of like all the new stuff here in Five Below, try to come about once a week. Okay, let's finish off over here on the back to school aisle. They pretty much just have their regular back to school items here. They haven't added a huge stash of new items for back to school, but this is definitely new. And I think the kitty is new. Those are so cute. 7-day weekend. 7-day weekend is new for summer. Love that. And let's see if anything else is new down here. Oh, they have these eraser packs back. It's a whole box of super cute erasers for $5. What is this one? Is that a bra? It looks like a bra. They have bras, heels, headphones, mirrors, fortune kitties, cactus umbrellas, rings, flamingos, the Eiffel Tower, a little rocket, a phone, a perfume. So cute. I love little erasers too, you guys. I'm always so tempted to get this set, but I have like 3 or 4 sets of erasers at home, and I think enough is enough because yes, you guys, they are all cactus. These are, no way, you guys, look. These are brand new, you guys. They have the new JoJo Dolls here in Five Below. This is my first time ever seeing a JoJo doll. They're really cute. I think they're all the same too. They have Monster High dolls. They have, who do they have this week? Belle. They have Belle. They have My Little Pony sets. They have some troll sets down here. Ooh, what's this? Garden Ghouls? Wingrid. Wingrid the Dragonfly. And then you guys don't forget about all the cool party decor they have. I really, really love their candles and all their party decor. But alright, you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Let me know what you guys want to look at next time we come in here, because there's so much to look at. If you want to look at candy, if you want to look at tech, whatever you guys want to look at, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.